Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finding your self reel videos on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom, and now you can click on the three likes icon at the top. Click on it, and after this you can click on the setting. In here you just click on in the save icon, this one, click on it, and after this in here you just click on the all post, and now in here you just click on the reels icon at the top and finish. In here you can see your save reel videos on your Instagram account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.